Hi everyone, my name is Selena, and if you're someone who's struggling with nail fungus or brittle, weak nails that break easily, and you've tried different home remedies with no lasting results, then please stick with me until the end of this video. Because today, I'm going to talk about something that truly helped me, and I believe it can help you too. It's called AppaNail, and I'll tell you everything you need to know based on both my research and personal experience. Also, if you're in a hurry and want to check it out for yourself, the official website link is right below in the video description. Like many of you, I also suffered from nail fungus. My toenails became discolored, thick, and damaged. I avoided sandals or open shoes because I was too embarrassed. Even worse, the skin around my nails started to look bad and feel uncomfortable. I tried everything: doctor visits, over-the-counter creams, and regular pedicures. Nothing worked long-term. Then I found out about AppaNail, and I decided to give it a shot, especially since it's a 100% natural and safe supplement. And let me tell you, it was the best decision I ever made. AppaNail is made with 17 natural ingredients, including powerful antioxidants, vitamins, nutrients, and herbal extracts. These are all specifically chosen to restore nail health from the inside out and support overall foot hygiene. After just a few days, I began noticing improvements. My nails looked healthier. They felt stronger. The skin around them started healing. It honestly felt like I had brand new feet. Even my fingernails became stronger and grew better than ever. No more cracks or yellowing. Just clean, healthy-looking nails I'm not ashamed to show off anymore. And here's something that made me even more confident in trying AppaNail. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out completely risk-free for a limited time. If it doesn't work for you, you can simply request a refund, no questions asked. But here's an important warning. AppaNail is only available on its official website. This is to protect you from fake versions being sold on third-party websites. To make sure you're getting the real product and to be eligible for the money-back guarantee, always use the official link I placed right below in this video's description. So if you're tired of hiding your nails, dealing with embarrassment, or trying temporary fixes that don't work, I encourage you to give AppaNail a try. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. Take care of your nails, your feet, and yourself, and I'll see you next time.